Hello, I am Dr. Gauracharan Ghosh speaking. Pranam to the elders, love and best wishes to the youngers, and namaskar to the same age group people. I started my career as a physics scholar at the Baroda University, West Bengal in 1976 for doing research on nonlinear optical laser devices. In 1982, I received the Japanese government Monbusha scholarship to do postdoctoral research on optoelectronics at the Tokyo University in Tokyo. After that, I did research on optical fibers at the Central Research Laboratory of the Furukawa Electric Company Limited on optical fibers at the Central Research Laboratory in the laboratory, Tokyo. I did some fundamental research work there. In 1986, I returned to India and I had several positions in the universities and Indian public sector company Hindustan Cables Limited as a manager of optical fiber. However, I migrated to Australia in 1992 and then in 1993 I moved to Japan for carrying out research work on high technology field of optical materials and as an Australian. In this period, I have solved some fundamental problems on optical materials and optical fiber communication technology. And my name was nominated and published in the Marquis Who's Who in the World in 1996 as a physicist and educator. Subsequently, I wrote a reference book as a single author and it was published by the Academic Press of USA in 1997. In 1999, I was the co-editor of another handbook published by Academic Press. I was a Google Scholar because of this fundamental research work. Since April 1999, I am doing part-time research on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose with the advice of my Japanese boss, Dr. Hiroyoshi Yajima. He gave me 2 photo albums of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and unpublished articles of his father, Masayoshi Kakitsubo, who was the Elo-Kam interpreter and later on as a personal secretary of Netaji in the period of World War II. On 19 September 2017, I have written the ebook Unknown Facts of Netaji, Japan and Southeast Asia, and it was published by Amazon all over the world, including India. That book was forwarded by Dr. Hiroyoshi Yajima, and the book was dedicated to Masayoshi Kakitsubo. This YouTube is made on the message of Emperor Hirohito at the time of surrender to the Allied forces to end the World War II and relating to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. On 6th of August 1945, USA dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima and 9th of August another bomb on Nagasaki. On this opportunist situation, the Soviet Union joined the war against Japan and on 9th of August quickly captured Manchuria. The surrender of Imperial Japan, this is Hirohito, this is Japanese Emperor Hirohito on August 15 and formally signed on September 2, 1945, bringing the hostilities of World War II to a stop or close. By the end of July 1945, the Imperial Japanese Navy had become incapable of conducting major operations and an allied invasion of Japan was imminent. Japanese Foreign Affairs Minister, you can see this is a Foreign Minister Mamoru Shigemitsu. Maybe in my book you have seen many nice photos of Mamoru Shigemitsu in my book for the first time in the world. Incapable of, therefore, Foreign Minister Mamoru Shigemitsu signs the Japanese instrument of surrender aboard the USS Missouri as General Richard K. Sutherland watches that signature on September 2, 1945. On 15th of August 1945, also Emperor Hirohito told to his people that Japan could no longer go on with the war and not 1 inch of Indian soil was free. The army in question has defeated, scattered, surrendered, and caged. Also, its leader, Netaji, had fled and within 3 days would be dead. Britain's grip was outstandingly controlled on this subcontinent as even before. You can see this information, voice of message of Emperor Hirohito is published in my Amazon books. The left side is the Amazon ebook and right side is the Amazon paperback book. Published that message in this book for the first time in the world. The same message also published in that Hindi ebook recently this year on the eve of 125th birth anniversary of Netaji. In the Hindi ebook, you can see this Hindi ebook, same message is published as that Emperor Hirohito forecasted the death of Netaji within 3 days, and now you can see how he died. Netaji asked a favor of Japan in facilitating his trip to Russia, as Japan had done before when he came from Germany to Southeast Asia in 1943. The opinion of the Japanese authorities was divided. Although Japan surrendered on 15th of August against the Allied forces, but finally the Japanese government agreed to take him to Manchuria. On 17th of August at Saigon, Netaji got on the Mitsubishi military bomber. This is a Mitsubishi military bomber Ki-21 type 97 heavy bomber plane, accompanied by Colonel Habibur Rahman Khan of the INA, in which Lieutenant General Tsunamasa Shidei was proceeding to Manchuria to facilitate the surrender procedure of the Japanese forces there to the Soviet forces, and met with the fatal bomber plane crash accident in Taipei Airport, Taiwan. In that accident, General Shidei and another 2 soldiers killed instantly. Netaji was burned and admitted to the military Maman hospital, where he talked to his right-hand man, Colonel Habibur Rahman Khan, before his death on 18th of August at the army hospital. A photo of similar bomber plane is shown here, as I told before. Colonel Habibur Rahman Khan gave his eyewitness truth by affidavit about the accidents, since he was also accompanied in that same plane sitting behind Netaji. Netaji was burned seriously and died a few hours later on 18th of August 1945, leaving the following words to Colonel Habibur Rahman Khan: "I don't think I will survive this accident. When you go back, tell my countrymen that I fought to the last for the freedom of my country, and no power on earth could now keep our country in bondage any longer. They should continue the struggle. India will be free before long." After this tragic bomber plane crash accident, all the leading newspapers, English and Japanese in Japan, published that news on 22nd of August 1945 as Chandra Bose. You can see that Chandra Bose and Tsunamasa Shidei, General Tsunamasa Shidei, died in a bomber plane crash accident in Taihoku Airport. Here you can see that newspaper cutting. This is in Japanese in Japan. This paper actually Hindustan Standard, and this newspaper also published in UK, London, and also in India. And also remember that Netaji's dead body coffin was a bit longer, and it was not possible to bring to Tokyo. Therefore, his dead body was burnt just outside the military airport, and Tsunamasa Shidei's dead body coffin was brought to Tokyo for the cremation as per the military army system. As you can see, I paid homage to the greatest patriot, Indian freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the Renkoji Temple many times since 1993 to 1999. His ashes are kept in a golden urn since 18th of September 1945, as the officials are claiming. And the ashes of Tsunamasa Shidei are kept at the Yasukuni Shrine as per the Japanese Army protocol, and this photo is published in my Amazon books for the first time. This photo is from the album received from my Japanese boss. In this slide, you can see the Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Dr. Rajendra Prasad paid homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the Renkoji temple, not Nehru and Indira Gandhi. The stop plaque, on this left side plaque, it is my pleasure to visiting twice the Renkoji temple to pay homage to our greatest warrior and patriot Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Here, memory of Bose is kept in a safe custody. 9 December 2001, Premier Atal Bihari Vajpayee, his signature. It is my pleasure, in the right side, it is my pleasure for attending the temple and devotee to Chandra Bose on 14th of October 1958. President Rajendra Prasad, his signature. And also here you can see, I pay the aim of Buddha, bringing peace to human. 13th October 1957, Premier Jawaharlal Nehru's signature. Again, light of Buddha will bring the true heart and peace to human being. 26 June 1969, Premier Indira Gandhi signature. Nehru and Indira did not mention the name of Netaji at all, as the register you can see. As I have researched since April 99, Nehru and Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, are responsible for the present situation of Netaji's defamation in India, not only India, throughout the world. Present defamation, they are the main culprit.